Good evening, guys. How's everybody doing today on this Tuesday? Hopefully, everybody had a wonderfully blessed day. Most importantly, hopefully, you had a safe day wherever you're chilling at in this beautiful world that we live in. This is your boy, Jaime G. That be this guy right here. For those of you that don't know, watching this channel, I'm the guy that brings the latest and greatest in developing and breaking news in the Wild Wild West of crypto land. Guys, on this channel, I break you guys off Doge and overall crypto market news. You know what I mean? So you guys can always stay up on current events. You know what I mean? Because if you don't keep up with current events, you will definitely get left behind. None of this is ever financial advice. It's just me sharing my thoughts and opinion, guys. Nothing more, nothing less. Now we're going to get into a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So if you're ready, let's get it. All right, guys. Bitcoin is sitting up 45,956 with 54 cents. It is currently up 0.06, right, guys? Not too bad, guys, considering that, you know what I mean, that crypto law just passed in that infrastructure bill, you know what I mean? But granted, you know, Bitcoin hasn't dipped all the way down to 30K or anything like that. It's still holding its ground. Bitcoin is still doing its thing. So, you know, I'm happy about that, because when Bitcoin does good, guys, like I say, the overall markets do good as well with this. So what's good for Bitcoin is good for the overall markets. But all right, enough of Bitcoin. Let's just dive right into the main superstar of this channel, which is yours truly, Dogecoin. All right, guys. Now I need my stuff to load up. It's acting a little slow. Come on. All right, what's going on here? Come on, baby. Let's get it. Okay, there it is. Okay, guys, we're currently sitting at 26 cents, and Dogecoin is up 31.36% for the day. What? Guys, we're sitting at 24 cents was our 24-hour low, and our 24-hour high was 26 cents. Our market cap is sitting at $34.27 billion, which is pretty much the same as what it was yesterday, right, guys? And our volume has came down just a tad bit. We are currently sitting at 3.38 $1 billion in the last 24 hours, right? And yesterday we were, I believe, at 4.7. So it has came down just a little bit, you know what I mean? But it's okay, you know what I mean? Doge is just taking a little breather, you know what I mean? Granted, you know, we shot all the way from 20 cents all the way up to 28 cents, guys. And we've only pulled back, we came down all the way to like 24 cents at one time, but pretty much been between 25 and like 27 cents. So that's looking pretty good, you know what I mean, in my opinion, for the price of Doge. Still holding its ground is what I'm getting at. All right, guys. Now, pretty much nothing has changed as far as levels of resistance and support. So I'm not going to bust the chart out like I usually do. Support is at the 50-day moving average, which is 22 cents. And the 100-day moving average is our level of resistance, which is at is coming at 30 cents, guys. All right. So that is as far as what we got for resistance and support. Now let's just dive into this article here. Now it says, what are the odds of Dogecoin rallying to $1? All right, now let's see what it says. It says Dogecoin price has significantly rallied 21.21% over the past day. In fact, its weekly gains stood slightly lower than 20%, guys. And it says that than the daily gains at the time of writing. It says amidst the recent price pump, the Doge to $1 debate has resurfaced, and the loyal community seems to be pretty excited at the moment. Everybody's excited, guys, because you know what I mean. It's been pumping for the past couple of days. The overall markets have, guys, but Doge has been really pumping. You know what I mean? Like I said, we went from 20 to 28 in a matter of hours. So a lot of people are happy. So they're giving some reasons on why it could and couldn't go possibly to $1, right, guys? They give 3 reasons, and we're gonna dive into that. Now it says, are market participants buying? It says the buy-sell actions usually give an insight into whether or not a particular price trend can continue down the same path. Interestingly, at the time of writing, the cumulative sell orders by and large, the cumulative sell orders by and large exceeded the numbers of buy orders. It says this essentially means that the market participants at this stage are booking their profits and cashing out. It's all right, guys. There's nothing wrong with securing profits, right, guys? And then it goes on to say, as can be seen from the chart attached, the buy-sell gap has widened over the past 6 hours. The same reflected a negative value of 145.26 million Doge at the time of writing. Now, for Doge's price to organically pump, the buyers have to come to the rescue. And you know what I mean? And they have, guys, for the past couple days, you know what I mean? They're just taking a breather, and there's nothing wrong with that. Now, then it goes on to say, however, looking at how the traders per side have unfolded, it'd be argued that the alt's price would not be able to sustain its rally. It says a similar trend was witnessed on the market depth chart too. It says the number of ask/sell orders seem to largely outpace the numbers of bid/buy orders. It says whenever the open sell orders have been bigger than the open buy orders, Doge's price has more often than not moved southward. Now, here's the second reason. It says the social trend. Whenever the Doge community has created hype on social media, the alt price has reacted in a favorable manner. However, the number of mentions on a daily basis has been revolving around the 2K to 4K range lately. Notably, during the April through May phase, when the alt price was at its 0.6 all-time high, the metrics reading oscillated in the 50 through 55,000 K bracket. Hence, the community needs to get more vocal and social platforms to sustain the price uptick. So basically what they're saying, guys, is, you know what I mean, because of the Google trend that Doge isn't being mentioned, you know, more times than what it usually does, that can affect the price of Doge. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Now, here's the third reason. It says reality check. It says the number of traders have seen a slight surge from 270.2K to 280.65K lately. Hence, the recent price pump could be attributed to their actions. Nonetheless, looking at the pace at which other market players are exiting Doge's arena, it can be concluded that the alt would not be able to sustain its rally in the days to come. In retrospect, the $1 dream seems to be quite far-fetched at the moment. All right, guys, so basically they're giving three reasons on why they pretty much think that it won't reach $1. I believe, guys, that it will hit $1 by the end of this year. There's just a lot of positive fundamentals going for it, you know what I mean? So I truly think it will hit $1. But we'll see, hopefully, right? But the way things are looking, it looks like it will, but who knows, right, guys? We got a couple months to go. But all right, guys, now let's dive into some more news here, what we got going on. Now, this is some good bullish news here, right, guys? Now, it says Dogecoin digs itself into a bullish pattern. How to play the break. This is out of Benzinga. It says Bitcoin will be accepted as payment at AMC Entertainment Holdings theaters by the end of this year, much to dismay of Dogecoin. It says enthusiasts who taught the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency the people's crypto. It says the adoption of cryptocurrency as payments by large companies adds validity and utility to the space and opens the door for more coins to eventually be accepted. And that's true, guys. You know what I mean? They're starting off with Bitcoin, but who's to say down the road they ain't going to start accepting Doge? You know what I mean? We have over 1,400 companies, guys, that accept Doge as a form of payment, right? Over 1,800 ATMs where you can go, you know, buy Doge with fiat, you know what I mean? So there's a lot of companies already that accept it as a form of payment, guys, you know what I mean? So I wouldn't be surprised if they put Doge on there as well down the road. It says blockchain analytics firm Chainalysis sees the value of Dogecoin, and on Tuesday announced it had expanded coverage to include the coin, saying that the crypto had become the most frequently requested new coin for the company to cover from its customers in the public and private sectors. Right, guys, so this company, right, Chainalysis, they didn't used to do analytics on Dogecoin, but now they do. So that's a positive catalyst too, right? Why? Because the demand is there, guys. There's a huge demand for Doge still, right, guys? And a lot of people say that there's no utility behind it, right, guys? Get out of here. It says Dogecoin has spent the past 4 hours pawing itself into a bull flag pattern and looks set to soar. It says the Dogecoin chart, it says Dogecoin shot up about 28% on August 7th and bust through a resistance level near the 23-cent mark. It has since been consolidating in a tightened range. Like I've been saying, the single-day increase paired with the 3-day of consolidation has created a bull flag pattern with the pole created August 7th. Then it goes, and the flag created between Sunday and Tuesday. The flag of the pattern is developing into a triangle pattern, and Dogecoin is set to meet the apex of the triangle on August 13th. Technical traders should watch for high volume when Dogecoin breaks either bullishly or bearishly down from the triangle to know whether the pattern was recognized. All right, guys, so they're saying August 13th that we should be busting out, whether to the upside or to the downside. We'll see, right? Hopefully to the upside, right? We already have busted out. It says the 3-day consolidation has helped Dogecoin to cool down its relatively strength index, the RSI, which was approaching oversold territory at the 71% mark. On Tuesday, Dogecoin's RSI had come down about 10% to much more comfortable 61% levels. Dogecoin is trading above the 8-day and 21-day exponential moving average, with the 8-day EMA trending above the 21-day, both which are bullish indicators. Dogecoin is also trading above the 200-day simple moving average, which indicates overall sentiment in the crypto is bullish. The 200-day SMA has been guiding Dogecoin higher for the better part of the past 8 months. All right. It says bulls want to see a big bullish volume enter Dogecoin to break the crypto up bullishly from the flag pattern. It says if the flag is recognized and Dogecoin breaks to the upside, the measured move could bring the crypto up to about the 30-cent level, guys, and that's where we have a level of resistance, right, which is the 100-day moving average at that 30 cents level. It says Dogecoin has overhead resistance at 27 and 31 cents. Bears want big selling pressure to push Dogecoin down to break bearishly from the triangle and below support at 23 cents. If Dogecoin can't hold the level of support, it could fall back downward to the 20-cent mark. All right, guys, now that's what they're breaking down, right, guys? It's giving you the plus and minuses of what could happen, right? But they're basically saying right now we have some bullish technicals coming for it, right? We have a bullish flag, right? And hopefully on the 13th, we're going to break to the upside. Well, this is what your boy had for you on this Tuesday, guys. Hopefully it was informative, useful, insightful. If it was, maybe you can please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. But if not, thank you for watching my channel and checking me out. You guys stay safe and stay blessed. Until tomorrow, your boy Jaime G is out. Peace.